Welcome to our crafting tutorial on making keychains with epoxy resin and UV resin. First, gather your materials: epoxy resin, UV resin, keychain hardware, silicone mold, mixing cups, stirring sticks, and any desired decorations like glitter or charms. Next, carefully measure and mix the resin according to the instructions. Make sure to mix it thoroughly to avoid any air bubbles. Pour the resin into the silicone mold and add in any decorations you'd like. You can get creative here and make each keychain unique. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crafter, this project is perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their accessories. We will guide you through the step-by-step process of mixing and pouring the resins, adding colors and decorations, and curing the keychain to a glossy finish. You'll be amazed at how easy and fun it is to create your own custom keychain. Once the resin is fully cured, remove the keychain from the mold and attach the hardware, and there you have it, your very own handmade keychain made with epoxy resin and UV resin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafting tutorials and DIY projects.